People, Jamaica people, who know what's this?
Wake up, wake up, wake up. You are my best friend. I don't ever want our friendship to run. Lion and Lioness viewers and subscribers, you are a heaven sent. You are the reason I am vlogging again. Blessed love, blessed morning, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lioness, I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I don't know big up on the damn self, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. As I must say, give thanks to the life, give thanks to the rising. Anyone there? Nothing but love and protection. Now my viewers and subscribers, I don't know. Where they put out a vlog with the brother, I say, yo, meet at Spanish Town such and such time, Saturday. Now I see a local clippings and the people them there protest for them rights and them freedom and them kids. Remember, you know, we have to set the trend for the kids, you know. We don't want them come live the bad life how we live, and so we have to try to do our best for them. So now we have to protect them so them can come protect for them generation. You see me? We see the local marching go on and the people them come out. First and foremost, big up the brother there, the organizer. You know, because he spoke really well. You know what I mean? And him said, anybody will come out and feel like them in a fear or a threat by any government or police or whatever, he has the right team to advise them, ensure them and protect them. See? So the man make sure some safety is secure. But let me see where I go on my viewers and subscribers. I still enough please, because more people should have come out. Zane, so watch where I go on.
Why are they coercing people and why are they suppressing discussion? Let them have an open and objective discussion instead of trying to stop people from talking. If we allow Jamaicans and all people around the world to freely share what they know about this substance, then we have a free society. But why are you telling Jamaicans that there's only one option? There are many options in the form of disease. Let us hear about all the options and let us have the chance as Jamaicans to choose what options we want. We don't want a dictatorship. We don't want a government which says if you do like this, we're sovereign individuals. We must be allowed to choose what goes into our body. And the owners and the TLC and the PNP that have come together, they do not have the right to force Jamaica to take anything. We the people, as individuals, must have that
Okay, I said that the brother there, he invites someone like an indecent advice because enough people link me and ask me who is that person. I tell them something I don't know, I was just asked to put out the voice note, the message, you know. See? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel and my viewers and subscribers. Lionfoot TV. See? Lionfoot TV. Big up on the damn self. See, my viewers and hey Jamaicans. Remember say we look about we talawa, we lead, we are no follower. We get through mumps, measles and cholera. And all the rest of them. So why we can't get through this one? Remember, say it's just a flu, you know. It's just a flu. Yo, I'm telling you, wake up! Wake up! Wake up, Jamaicans! Wake up! I'm telling you, man. Wake up! Go out there, man. Go out there. And I need to do better. More have to see more people. All of the ones that may not get the thing yet. But I need to go out there. Join forces and go out there. And keep me telling you, you know. You see, if we don't come together, we're gonna wither away. Zine, when we wake up Jamaicans, go out there, don't believe what them say. Remember, the thing is just like a common flow. Immune system up. Remember, so you have the sunshine, you have the natural resources, the bushes, them and all of them things. Right now, I want some bush. You see me? Right now, I want some bush. I look at things, I stop smoke all the kush. You see me? But right now, I want some bush, all the very vine bush and all of them bush there. Search me out and them things there. Liquor that. Liquid that. Chew up your garlic and your lime and all of them sitting there, your honey, you see me? Ginger, chew them up raw. Liquid that. You love the sunshine for bust the sweat them and now go like, when I eat that. Wake up! Wake up! Yeah man, some of viewers and subscribers, some fellow Jamaicans, when you take a page out of the European them book, watch you go on a Brixton, England, Saturday. Watch you go on.
That's what them are saying. That's what them are saying here, so. This is the anti-vax march. I'm telling you, thousands and thousands and thousands of people coming through Brixton, and today is the 28th of August. And I'm telling you, it's thousands and thousands of people out there. I love this. Love this. And they're lying, saying that everybody has taken the team. They're lying. Lying people them. Look up the road. Look, people gone. Thousands of people out here. I love this, man. Liar there. Liar. I love to see this.
It's not a lie.
Because the way they're making it sounds as if everybody has taken it. Look. Thousands of people, isn't it? I God, I never take it and I will not take it.
You should take it.
Why?
Of course you should. I'm a nurse, you should take it.
I know I take it. I had COVID last year and I get over it. If you eat food and all that, eat and drink, dehydrate your body. No, I had it. I had 84% in my lungs last year and I get over it. I may take it. Don't give up the fight. Get up, stand up. People, can you believe this? Look. People look on people. My gosh.
God gave you the right to breathe. Never let anything take away your God-given right to breathe. Stand in your power.
Yep.
Yeah.
Freedom to choose.
Look on people, people. Look on people, people. Look on people, people. What? Government lie. Protect our kids. Bloody hell, man. I never see so much people for a long time. Jesus. People. Jamaica people. You know what see this? Bloody hell. Me can't believe the people them lie. So people say, what's it look for people, man? Jesus Christ. You wonder what helicopter out here for? You lie, them I tell Almighty God, the whole of England out here.
Every day this week now.
Look people, look people. Look from people. Look people. Look. So they sign them, take your hands off our kids. We are here to save our children's freedom. Look, look, we need to be left alone. It's just a flu. That's what's written on all these placards. Nobody wearing masks. You see that? Even police in the crew and they go wearing no mask. Police wearing no mask. People are crazy. Man, so you can't understand this. You can't believe what I see. Oh, man. Jamaica people, look. Not stupid like fear control. It's not science. Good. Here is the risk. Your choice. My God, look people. Mighty God. This is going on for about nearly 1 hour now. Look people. Isn't it? True Brixton. Town coming from the West End. People. Oh my God, let me turn up the mic up so and let you see. Look on the crowd, I can't believe this, and them a lie to us. That is tell about like everybody being vaxxed. And look, thousands of people.
Yeah.
Liar people them.
Yes.
Damn liar. Now I know.
Yes. You know now.
No me see, no me know. I didn't know for a long time, but me proven now.
Yes, it's true.
Jesus Christ, the people.
What is true don't use vaccinated. No police. No mask.
No mask. Almighty Jesus, the people. Look, people, the police them there, back at the people them, enough, but not harming them, and the police them now wear no mask. Can't believe this, I don't lie to people, eh? A good thing me come out here today to see this for myself. God send me out the right time.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, and see what I go on, my kings and queens, my lioness, my fellow Jamaicans. Me nah say nothing more, but all me I say, wake up, God.
If you're having suicidal thoughts, try ignore that. There are people out there worse than you. Did you know that? Your claims that people are what? Chat, judge and criticize you. So what?
Thanks for watching. Your support is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will always get that alert when I post a new content. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Your thoughts and opinion I would like to know. Until then, stay safe. Gone, walk good. I'm out. God bless you.